mixing the ingredients. We have some chia seeds. And we have raw honey. We're gonna put some, how's it called? Vanilla extra. Oh yeah, vanilla extra, not extra. And we have salt. We have some raisins, and we have coconut oil, which is from coconut. We have oats from heaven. We also have shredded coconut, which you can see. We're gonna start by spreading the coconut oil in the pan so things don't get stuck. And they're like, oh, it was just plastic. It was thank you for opening this. Here I got a spoon. It's like water. I know. Coconut water. Now you start. Okay, you put in that way. Okay? There. Oh, more. There. Now press it? Yeah. I'm gonna put the spoon on. How does it feel like? It feels like water. It feels good. Now, I'm gonna put the oats. Wait, not yet. But first I'm gonna wash my hands. Very good. Now I'm gonna get the oats and put them on the tray. We have to get them with good quality. Good quality first. Open it. This is a pool for me. A lot of granola. Time to I'm done. I'm gonna put just 2 more spoons of coconut oil. Oh, here's the spoon. I know. Now, close this. And I'm now it's black. Can you make them bigger? It feels like comfy. It feels good. It really feels good. You should try it. Remember, if you put food in your hands and food in your body, you can actually get nutrients by spreading it because your body can absorb things that are really healthy. And yummy. Now I'm going to put this in. And make sure when you're doing the granola, do the shape. You can do whatever shape you want, but it has to be like look, it looks like snow. Can I see? That's what it really smells like. Put some. Can I put some? Yeah. Remember to spread it? Okay. Remember, make sure you're using salt from the ocean because that's even healthier. Salt from the ocean is better and it has more nutrients. But instead, if you get table salt, your body can get real sick because that's not real salt. You use chemicals and a lot of things that are not healthy for your body. I'm gonna get some honey, so I'm gonna put just because it's your video, you decide. That's gonna be sweet. Get ready for the sweet babies. Get ready to massage. I'm gonna put more. So. Yeah, I wanna put more. You can put it. Yay! But remember, you're the best. Okay. This is getting sticky. I'm gonna put some here. Then don't spread mine. This is like slime. I know. Like slime. That's because you put. Oh, I'll put this here. And then I'll put it back. to get all of the granola. It actually feels like slime. Make sure you mix it like a ball, but not a ball. Do this. This is how it's gonna stick to you. Make sure you take it out so you can get it. If this is too sticky for you, just wash your hands and if it's too sticky. If it's fun and you want to do it, then just go. When you're done, make sure to tap it like this. Yeah, so the entire tray is full. Tap it because the layer has to be very thin so it gets all cooked. Oh, this is so sticky. We're gonna wash your hands and then put the granola in the oven. This actually tastes like granola. So we're gonna put now the tray in the oven for half an hour and 350 degrees. Let's put it on. Yes, it's fine, just but thanks. But do tippy toes. Actually, hold this up and I'll hold this side. Don't wear skates because then pick it on. Now hold it up. So now we're gonna add some more meat. We're gonna add some chia seeds. We're gonna put it. That. It smells like something cooked. It smells so good. And it smells like a cookie, but instead like a cookie that is like crunchy. So I'm gonna put that. That because these are very sweet. You don't want it too sweet. I'm gonna put the mixed nuts. We have almonds, cashews, uchi berries, and pistachios. It's looking yummy. And smells good. Since the tray is very hot, my mom is gonna put it in the oven first. Just 10 minutes. Jazzy, this is your cooking channel. Can I eat some? No. This one? No. And we're gonna put some shredded coconuts. But a little because this is very enjoy for breakfast, which you could do milk or yogurt or both. Now we're gonna put this in the oven with a meat. I just want to say this. Me too. You should try it. It tastes like real granola. Thank you for staying by. Remember to subscribe. This granola has a beautiful texture, it's very yummy and smells good and delicious. It will quiet when you make it.